Kujin record. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. In this part of the session, we have Wina Monica as our participant for SBM Simulation 2025 Poltek Bar. So, in this part of meeting, we have several of rule, Wina. And the first one is you using in English, of course. And the second one, we have a 15 minutes at interview and 10 minutes for feedback. Okay. So, in the first of all question is about introducing yourself, of course, Mina. Please introducing yourself.
Everyone, hi Katman. My name is Wina. I'm from Bali, especially I live in Puri Gading. It's like near than a Polkar Tourism Bali.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fresh graduate, maybe before the graduation in SMA Negeri 1 Kuta Selatan, so
Mm.
near than Polytechnic Tourism Bali.
Oke, Pura Gading ya. Oke, maybe I want. Kayaknya saya pernah lewat sana sih. Oke, so for the second question, it's about tourism, Wina. So, what did you know about tourism, Wina?
Tourism about it's mean like a destination that we can go in there or the culture also. And then I means like tourism.
Mm-hmm.
It's about we can talk about the guests and the hospitality also. So that's why I really interesting with the tourism.
Okay. So, in your field, it's from senior high school, right, Wina? Hello?
Senior high.
Yeah, from senior high school. So, do you have any reason why you chose in tourism, Wina?
So the first reason is I live in Jimbaran, so
Mm-hmm.
is the near the hotel in here. So my home is close to Intercontinental Bali,
Oh yeah,
and then
Intercontinental.
in there, like my parents is not the people who as a staff in there, but my neighbors, a
Mm.
lot of here, and every Sunday I join. It's like a Sunday market in here. So I selling the tea to the a lot of people that not the country.
Mm.
It means that's why I really interesting to join in hospitality as a receptionist maybe.
Okay. Thank you, Wina, for your reason. So this next one about your knowledge, especially at your major. What major you chose, Wina?
Management hospitality.
Oh, management hospitality. What did you know about management hospitality?
Hospitality, as I know, is about manage the manage the hospitality, and then so the major that I want to choose is PPH,
Mm.
pengelolaan perhotelan. So in that major, I get a lot of things that I want to know because I'm from senior high school,
Mm.
and then I like before. So I want to study first, and then and I know about each other first. So for the next train, I will know what I like.
Okay, so you wanna try every section and department in the management hospitality. So, after that, we have a little bit randomized question. So, if you know the name of ministry tourism department.
No, haven't
Okay.
heard.
What maybe before the Ministry of Tourism is not at you don't know? Okay, no problem. Just a random questions. Okay, so the next one is about the little bit focus on your major, yeah. And first of all, can you describe about every sections in sorry every department, especially at hotel?
Maybe like our things. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In the hotelier. I know is a little bit maybe
Uh,
for the office, receptionist, back office, as a back office in the cooking, waitress, and then in the management.
okay, thank you, Wina. Uh, Next question is about your secondary choice. What are you choosing in secondary?
And the second is a mah is like
Management,
a
accountancy, hospitality. Okay, okay, a little bit about the economy. You before in IPS or IPA? Okay,
social.
IPS, yeah. Okay, in economy. So, have you ever creating some neraca or buku kas?
Yes, in senior high school, I ever learning about that one.
Mm.
So I choice I will choose the mah one.
Okay, okay. A little bit relate at the mah ya, then management hospitality. So this next one is about your planning at the future, Wina. Have you ever creating some plan maybe after you graduate from Poltek Parbali?
After I graduate in the Polytech in Tourism Bali, it will be I wanna working at the hotelier in here
Mm.
and the dream. Maybe I want to work holiday visa.
Okay, in Australia, yeah. Okay, you're not working abroad at Australia using a working holiday visa. So next question is about your willingness to creating some business. Have you ever creating some business that I hear before? You selling some tea? Maybe you can explanation about that.
It's not. I just helping my sister to
Okay.
sell the Alice. So I sell the herbal tea in Bali,
Mm.
like from the lemongrass,
Okay.
like and the a lot of flour inside. So it's good for healthy.
Mm.
If you have a cake, and then black tea for morning booster, and uluwatu for just for relaxing. So I make it the three different tea kind of tea is with the name place of Bali. It's like a ubud, Canggu, and uluwatu.
Your sister creating the
Eating
secret reset. Okay, a little bit lagging here.
and
Check. Hello. Okay. Can you repeat it because the lag here?
so I help my sister to help in the tea.
Uh-huh.
Help to tea. So for the uluwatu, I take the name place of Bali. So I have a ubud is good for a detox. So for your healthy body, and
Okay.
Canggu for I put like a black tea inside, so it's kind of strong, but not strong like a tea. Like a coffee,
Black
sorry.
coffee.
Just for relaxing, like before sleep, you can drink this one for relax your body.
So where did you sell this your product? In Canggu.
They have a lot of place of
Street food.
like tourist
Like
so have a market in every Sunday. So I will going to market in
like
there.
Car Free Day, ya?
Yes, like car free day, but it's for tourists.
Okay, okay, I got it. I get this point. What the name of your brand or product?
The name is Padapa, so it's a
Padapa.
100% from Bali.
Okay, good, good, good one. You can explain it. Thank you, Wina. So that's all of all this question. Thank you so much, Wina. So we will have a little bit reviewing that your answer first. Uh, for the first one, it's about your English. It was like very good your English. So I think where are you learning before? In the school or maybe at your selling tea?
in the selling the for
Okay,
because
fine.
I'm enjoying the tea
Mm,
at the second school, and then I interesting about the English one,
mm.
and so I decided to course English course
Okay, okay, okay. Because okay.
here.
Because you a little bit trouble, but I can hear your beautiful voice with your clean of your pronunciations ya. Udah clean sih, tinggal ini aja, tinggal diisi dikit aja sama knowledge-nya aja tambah dikit ya. Jadi tadi about your knowledge ya. I know this you from senior high school, so you need really hardworking to learning a little bit more about hospitality, especially at PPH ya, karena PPH itu tahun ini jadi yang paling banyak pendaftarnya. Ya, jadi SKU sama PPH, wah, ini persaingannya ketat sekali. So I mean if you wanna passing maybe akan ke move ke pilihan kedua, manajemen akuntansi hospitality. Tapi kalau mau diperberat di PPH, nambah knowledge lagi. Tadi ya, for your experiences, you can you can explain to the jury, kok juri sih, penguji tentang penjualan teh itu. Dan itu every week in, you know, like maybe 2 years, 3 years. What, how long that your business starting? Udah 3 years ya, oke, good. So tadi knowledge-nya mungkin Wina bisa diperdalam lagi ya, bisa banyakkan reading some article on news, you know like some departments ya. Tadi ada bahas, aku nanya tentang departemen kan, departemen in the hotel. Jadi bedanya hospitality dan hotel tuh ada perbedaan sebenarnya. Hospitality means like in if you wanna translate in Indonesia, which mean ramah tamah sebenarnya ya. But in the if you can translate about a hotel just as hotel gitu. Tapi kalau kenapa namanya manajemen hospitality? Karena memang yang dipelajari bukan di tentang hotel aja gitu. Ada beberapa part yang dibagi lagi di sana. Nah, makanya ada beberapa departemen yang perlu dipelajari, yaitu FO, Front Office Department, which mean that di bawah FO itu namanya sections ya. Jadi FO dulu baru di bawahnya ada section. Nah, section-section ini yang Bina sebut sebagai receptions, bellboy, kemudian guest relation officer, guest service agent, call center dan seterusnya itu di bawah front office department. Nah, nanti setelah FO nanti Wina juga akan belajar housekeeping, which mean di bawah departemen housekeeping juga ada section lagi, ada room attendant, public area attendant, kemudian florist dan seterusnya. Ada laundry juga gitu. Oke. So, aku catat beberapa ya. Jadi setiap departemen punya section masing-masing, tugas-tugas masing-masing. Terus tadi masalah kitchen ataupun kita sebutnya kalau di hotel F&B S untuk waiter ya, service sama F&BP, food and beverage service, food and beverage product ya. Jadi kalau yang service ini akan ke arah tata hidang ya. Jadi teman-teman yang di tata hidang akan belajar di service, barista, kemudian bartender. Nah, kalau yang produk itu nanti teman-teman yang dari patisserie, teman-teman yang dari sorry, tata boga ataupun seni kuliner itu FNBP gitu. Nah, itu tadi untuk yang front of the house. Nah, ini sekarang yang back of the house. Yang Bina bilang manajemen, di hotel juga ada manajemennya. Manajemennya itu terbagi atas beberapa departemen lagi. Ya, agak kompleks memang PPH karena memang disiapkan cukup padat ya jadi jadwalnya karena mereka cuma 4 tahun yang seharusnya seharusnya kalau teman-teman yang real itu harus belajar sekitar 12 tahun. Karena setiap section tuh kalau mau lebih dalam itu memang 3 tahun ya. Jadi misalkan tata hidang 3 tahun, terus seni kuliner 3 tahun, divisi kamar 3 tahun itu udah 9 tahun gitu, belum tambah back office lagi. Oke, tadi aku mau tambahin sedikit di back of the house, nanti Wina tambahin accounting. Nah, jadi hotel juga ada accounting, ada marketing ya. Terus ada you know like about HRD, human resource, dan beberapa divisi-divisi kecil lainnya, engineering dan seterusnya. Itu back of the house ya. Oke, apalagi tadi ya. For your English there was no issue sih about your English ya. It was depend on your ini lagi. Mungkin lebih ke arah persiapan materi aja sih kalau Wina ya. Karena from the senior high school. Terus tadi experience-nya jangan lupa di mention ya. Itu lumayan berharga apalagi sudah bisa meng-create some product ya. About the, sorry, I'm forget about the name pada padati padapa padapati. Oke, itu nanti bisa masuk ke inkubasi bisnisnya Poltekpar Bali. Itu nanti bisa dikasih apa biaya biaya pengembangan produk gitu. Kalau tetapi kayaknya Wina udah punya packaging sendiri mungkin udah punya.
Iya,
Nah, udah
udah.
ada kan ya. Oh iya, udah tinggal diajarin untuk jualan aja mungkin marketingnya keluar mungkin. Nggak cuman offline selling, mungkin bisa online selling juga. Oke, 4, 5. Oke, itu aja sih. Jangan lupa di mention experience. About your future, Wina, tadi mengenai planningnya nanti akan working at hotel. Mungkin bisa didetailkan lagi, like you wanna sections, mau di seksi mana gitu, mau di department mana, as being apa, sebagai apa, level mana gitu. Misalkan as being a supervisor at Intercontinental Hotel because there was like in the front of my house gitu. Dep- IHG yang di depan ya. Aku pernah nginep sih di depan, bukan di IHG ya. Sorry, di Intercon ya. Di Pura apa ya namanya? Di dekat sana Pura. Kok Pura? Aku lupa lagi nama hotelnya. Ini dekat Intercon lah. Kayaknya lumayan ini sih sana, lumayan padat soalnya. Aku tersesat loh di sana. Oke, ada pertanyaan mungkin Wina?
Kalau kita mau tanya lagi sih Kak sebenarnya.
Hmm,
Kalau aku nggak lulus di pilihan satu,
oke.
atau menurut
Ini aku agak macet ya guys ya. Jadi coba bisa diulang Wina. I don't know why kenapa macet ya. Ini koneksiku.
yang pertama di PPH,
Heeh.
ah, berarti harus move kedua kan Kak? Ke pilihan kedua.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Pilihan kedua boleh nggak kalau Wina tuh langsung aja dipindahin ke pilihan ketiga?
Pilihan ketiga Wina apa? Nggak kedengeran, sorry. Apa?
PPKA Kak?
PKA, konvensi acara.
Ya,
Kenapa? Itu sebenarnya based on that your ini sih. That's your choice ya.
ya,
Tapi itu
ya
masih
sih
bisa ditukar
sebenarnya.
loh. Itu masih bisa ditukar loh. Maksudnya
Tapi ini udah apa?
masih bisa, masih bisa. Coba dicek lagi.
Cuman cuman ngerasa gini sih Kak.
Apa?
Kayak kadang tuh kayaknya akuntansi tuh lebih relate karena belajar
Mm-mm.
tentang belajar akuntansinya. Tapi ngerasa kayak kayak PKA itu lebih gimana gitu kan.
Eh,
Kayak masih maju mundur gitu antara
Masih
dua itu.
bimbang mungkin ya.
Karena karena emang Wina tuh OTS cuma di pilihan pertama aja Kak.
Ya, 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 ya.
Yang kedua sama ketiga tuh kayak masih samar-samar gitu, nggak terlalu menekuni kayak suka banget tuh enggak, cuman kayak kalau bisa dipilih kayak oke gitu aja, tapi kayak yang
Oh,
pengen
ya
pengen
udah.
banget 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 tuh satu gitu.
Iya, iya. Fine, fine aja. Jadi kalau ngambil pilihan kedua atau ketiga. But balik
Mhm.
lagi sih back on your tergantung judgesnya juga sih, tergantung panitia. Terus depend on your hasil juga dari skolastik sama wawancara. Nanti kan
Mhm.
kelihatan nih kalau memang nilainya memang tinggi biasanya langsung dapat di pilihan pertama. Tapi kalau memang agak di bawah ya biasa dibanding-bandingkan lagi sama pilihan kedua terus ditarungkan lagi sama ranking yang teman-teman yang lain. Soalnya PPH lumayan ketat ya. PPH lumayan ketat. Mungkin di sekitar
Iya.
8 kayaknya sama ke SKU. Terus kalau manajemen akuntansi hospitality lumayan ini ya, ada peluang lah. Ada change
Iya Kak,
lumayan
soalnya
ada.
tidak kurang.
Iya sih, mungkin orang-orang lebih enak ke akuntansi di Udayana daripada ngambil MAP aja di MAH aja di apa? Poltek Bali.
Kelas itu cuma dua yang jadi unut, sisanya tuh Poltekkar semua
Waduh.
gitu.
Waduh, ramai sekali kelas Anda ya. Oh, mentang-mentang
Iya,
deket ya. Mentang-mentang deket ya. Kenapa nggak
karena
ambil?
semua yang ngambil tuh rata-rata PPH semua.
Waduh,
Jadi kayak
waduh. Padahal
gitu.
Politeknik Negeri Bali dekat sana loh. PNB dekat sana
Ah,
loh. Udayana dekat sana.
itu kurang.
Astaga, astaga. Padahal saya dari PNB loh. S2 saya di PNB. Jadi,
Kak,
jadi dekat dari sana sih sebenarnya. Tapi kalau mau
Oh,
secara praktek memang Poltekpar memang best of one the best hotel
mm,
apa institusi ya. Dari biaya, dari apa yang didapatkan sangat worth it banget.
mm.
So I think ya kalau di Bali terutama mungkin persaingannya di sana sih. I hope that your scholastic bagus. Nanti kalau scholasticnya udah bagus, tinggal wawancaranya. As long as I know ya, kalau wawancara, kalau Wina ya, kalau menurut saya sih bisa lah. Harusnya di 70 sampai 8. Tinggal nambah knowledge aja nih, karena takutnya tadi kan misalkan ada
Iya,
beberapa random question, terutama di bidang hospitality industry itu lumayan kompleks. Tapi nggak apa-apa, Wina pelajari luarannya aja dulu, karena kalau untuk dalamnya pasti nanti pas di kampus. Gitu. Tadi nama Menteri Pariwisata, ya itu banyak yang nggak tahu. Ini semua orang nggak tahu nama menteri sekarang. Saking banyak, saking banyak menteri sekarang guys. Oke, ada pertanyaan lagi Wina?
udah Kak, kasih.
Udah aman ya. So I hope you can pass in this part. And last of all, about this video, you wanna upload it or just keep it?
Hmm, upload is okay.
Oh, aduh, aduh, yang beda emang orang udah cara. Oke, thank you so much Wina for your all ya. Mungkin kalau misalkan ada pertanyaan nanti komen aja. Suka komen sih, personal chat aja. Don't be afraid.
Oke,
Don't hesitate to interrupting or chat me ya. Thank you so much Wina for your time. Ya, I hope you can enjoy with your scholastic terutama nanti tesnya masih lama sih, tapi masih ada waktu untuk persiapan lah. Thank you Wina and see you next time ya. Sekarang ada lagi yang wawancara soalnya. Thank you so much.
oke.
Bye bye.
Kak.
Ya, thank you.